Hi, I'm Elizabeth Hill-Scott from Britpolitics.co.uk. Let's get started. Immortalised in a song by ABBA, the Duke of Wellington, with a little help from the Prussians, defeated Napoleon Bonaparte at the Battle of Waterloo on the 18th of June 1815. The battlefield in Belgium was 2.5 miles across, and approximately 50,000 men died there. Wellington returned to Britain a national hero and later became Prime Minister. The Battle of Waterloo came 10 years after Trafalgar. Although he survived, it was the final defeat for Napoleon and marked the end of the Napoleonic Wars. In the peacetime that followed, Britain was given the space she needed to start becoming a world superpower. Thanks for watching, and if you take a look at Britpolitics.co.uk, you'll find hundreds of resources to help you learn about British politics and history. Plus, I cover writing, revision, motivation and exam tips. There's lots of links in the description below, and you can mostly find me on Instagram at Elizabeth_Britpolitics. Bye for now.